Today we're looking at testing for gases. For your GCSEs, you need to be able to describe the test for oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide and chlorine gas. Let's start off with a test for oxygen gas. As you can see here, I've got a gas jar and I've got a burning splint. Well, the test is if that I put a glowing splint into oxygen gas, it should reignite it. So let's have a look at that again. So I've got a glowing splint, the flame's out, and when I put it into the oxygen, it should reignite. So to summarise, the test for oxygen is light a splint, then blow it out and then stick it into the oxygen. If the glowing splint then reignites, that is the positive test to say that oxygen gas is present. Next is the test for hydrogen gas. Now in this experiment to produce hydrogen gas, I've got some magnesium and I'm going to add some hydrochloric acid. So that fizzing that you see now, that is hydrogen gas being produced. So the test for hydrogen gas is when you light the actual gas, it should make a popping sound, more of a squeaky pop sound. Let's listen. There we go. Okay, so the test for hydrogen, as we just said as a summary, we light a splint, we place the burning splint into the hydrogen gas, and the positive test would be that the hydrogen burns with a distinctive squeaky pop. Next we've got our test for carbon dioxide using lime water. So if we look here, we can see lime water is colourless. Now to produce carbon dioxide, I've got some hydrochloric acid, and then I'm going to add some marble chips, which is calcium chloride. As the calcium chloride reacts with the hydrochloric acid, we should see some fizzing, which produces carbon dioxide gas. So there's my carbon dioxide gas hopefully being produced. I've got my little delivery tube here, and I bubble the carbon dioxide gas through the colourless lime water, and if we look carefully we should see that the lime water goes from being colourless to being milky, or cloudy we could say. It's a precipitate that forms inside which makes it go cloudy or milky. So just to compare, here we have lime water, which is colourless. If we bubble carbon dioxide through, it forms a cloudy precipitate. So to summarise, we pour lime water into a test tube or beaker and we bubble the gas into the lime water, and the positive test for carbon dioxide is it will turn